How's it going, guys? I'll whip this wee bad boy into a bit of holly. And I'll put a bit of blue onto those waves that I made. And tattoo ink, blue tattoo ink put onto it. Haven't decided yet what I'm going to finish that wee piece with on the bottom. That's pretty cool. I'll have that one to work on. I'm going to put lacquer or something on that. And this boy here, he look at it, spalting in that. I'm just going to put some mineral oil onto him now. See how that one goes. I have a little shamrock wood spirit. The bottom stem broke off him, but I'll fix it back on, get it sorted. He's ready for a wee bit of lacquer. And then I'll have this wee redwood dagger. See the grain in that? It's going to get some mineral oil put onto it now too, so. Let's see how that turns out, guys. Now I'll have this wee guy here. In the spirals. Yeah, he's got that guy. That wee man in there. Oh boy in there. I'll have that one. Just finished that one with gold ribbon buff. So I'm going to get the oil onto this one now. Maybe a wee bit of lacquer and oil on him. Leave that one. I'm going to leave it sitting out here in the air to dry because it's very windy in the tent. So I'm just going to let the wind give it a wee blow dry. Do the job. I'll set that over there. That's a bit of redwood that was carved in. Yeah, it's all good. Okay, I'll just stick a wee bit of oil on him while I'm here. So he's to get oiled. That's getting a bit of lacquer. And that's getting oiled. That's just staying the way it is. Just brought that out, give you a look at it. Yeah, it's all good. So there we go, guys. I'll get onto these ones here and then I'll get back to you, see how it looks. Well, guys, here we go. Give them all a wee coat of oil, mineral oil. There's that redwood dagger. You see that, that's lovely. I'll let that oil sit on that till tomorrow and then I'll give it an wee coat and just give it a wee rubbing off there now. I'll give it an coat tomorrow. And we'll have this young guy. He was done with lacquer. That was painted with tattoo ink. That was used to do the staining, so you still see the grain and stuff there. So it's cool. Right, now we'll have this guy here. He's pretty cool. You see all the spalting in him. Same again. I'll let that oil all sit in him and then I'll give it an hour going over tomorrow. But pretty pleased with them three so far. Yep, seen their pieces, guys. This one's signed yet, he's not finished. You can see him. Got a spalting in it. So good. Like I say guys, we update on the old air. See up here, I've started to put the roofs into it. From the wee window in there, we started this roof. Get the undercut done. This roof's just sloped in the middle and sloped down that way. And we've got the air, a wee bit more detail in it. That the way. And the wee window. And as you can tell, it's pretty windy today. And it doesn't stop us. We'll stay at it. So, okay guys, this will be finishing this wee piece in the next day or two. And I'm just happy I got these ones finished. There's a wee bit of oil on him. It was just a wee mess about and a bit of holly. And then I have this here to be finished. I'm probably just going to sand up the highlights on that now. And then put lacquer on it so it looks wet. I'll think of some sort of base to put it on. So okay guys.